Today I am sharpening lawnmower blades with my Sporgain Lawnmower blade sharpener I got off of Amazon. I'll set it up so you can see me doing it, but essentially this connector connects to your angle grinder. You set the angle grinder adapter in there, put the lawnmower blade in here, and then this holds your angle for you so you can sharpen at the angle that you want. So have it set to 35 degrees, just trying to match what my lawnmower blades appeared to have on them. Our yard's pretty rough and we go through quite a bit of sticks and dirt, so it wouldn't hurt to have a 40 or 45 degree angle, but I'm just matching what's on here. So it's going pretty well. I'll set it up here and grind one of them down. So the lawnmower blade goes in here, and then you tighten this down to hold it, and the instructions just point out you want to make sure that it's flush with the base here and not sticking up on one side. I also point out, instead of mounting this on the countertop here, I put it in a 4x4 and then I put it in the vise so I can move it or take it somewhere else if I need to, and not have to unscrew it. So my angle grinder has a adapter for the handle on both sides, so I'm able to use this. You want to make sure, if yours doesn't for some reason, you'd want to make sure yours has a spot for the handle. But you slide this in, and then this arm just moves up and down while you grind. And it is a little wobbly. It's not perfect, but pretty good here. Keeps you at least a little honest. So the other thing I've noticed is that you don't want to, as much as possible, you don't really want to angle it into the blade, but lay it pretty flat with the blade and it will go a little smoother for you. Probably could do a little bit more. I may do a little bit more here, but here's the sharpened edge you can see. And then this is what it's like before. So I'm working with pretty dull blades ahead of sharpening them. And then looking a lot better there. I am going to take a little bit more off here, and then I'll get to the other side. So another item, I splurged a little bit and got this kit that has a blade balancer to make sure that the blades are balanced. So even though my blades have not a perfectly round center, you can see here, it looks like this right side is a little heavier. Pretty close though. It's gonna dip just a little bit to the right. So what I'm gonna do, I'll put this back on, grind this down a little bit, see if I can get it to balance. Okay, that was pretty close, so I'm gonna try it again. I just ground a little bit down. That looks pretty good. It was, I switched sides, so this is the side that was heavier. So staying just about level. So we're gonna call that good. So that is the Sporgain Lawnmower blade sharpener with the angle grinder. Like I said, this arm is a little wobbly. It's not perfect, but definitely gets you pretty close to where you need to be, and was relatively cheap. Something, if you're not comfortable grinding your blades on an angle grinder or a bench grinder, or just want a little more guidance when doing it, I'd recommend it. It's not super expensive, and if you're having to sharpen a lot of blades, it's really helpful. So hope you found this useful. Please subscribe and watch my other content if you like this. Thanks, bye.